Hey, yeah, hello guys again. Now I want to create a new series. I think it's a new series. Okay, so now I want to create a Discord series. Okay, so basically in this series I will show you about anything that about related about Discord. Yeah, maybe it's like for the server, for the bot, and yeah, especially for the development. Yeah, and for the management. Okay, now the first thing that I want to show you guys is I want to show you guys how to create a bot. Okay, so basically, like if you are already using Discord, yeah, maybe for gaming, maybe, or if you just hanging with your friends. Okay, so like in Discord, that's the common thing that you will see in every server is there are bots, right? There are bots. Okay, and now I want to show you guys how to create a bot. Okay, like everyone can create their own bot, right? Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I already here. Okay, so you have to open the Discord developer, yeah, like this. Okay, so open the Discord developer like this. Okay, just find it. Okay, and then you will get in here. Okay, if you already log in to your Discord account as well. Okay, now you are in here in Discord developer application. Yeah, select application here. So here application is what we want to create our bot here. Okay, so I will show you guys. So just click this new application. Okay, just click this, and yeah, you can just give it a name. Yeah, okay, so this is my name. Okay, and maybe I'll just type yeah, it's fine. I think okay, I'll just choose yogurt. Okay, so I'll just create this. Okay, we'll create an application. Okay, and this is will be our bot letter. Okay, yeah, you can change the name, don't worry. Okay, and you just can put the description here and also the tag, maybe, if you want to just. Okay, so here are the two things. Yeah, okay, sorry, the two things that you want to see is the application ID. Okay, basically this is the application ID, or this is our bot ID. Yeah, maybe we will use it later in the development. Okay, and also now you can see that we have a public key. Okay, this is a public key. Okay, and this is, you can see the statistic for your bot. Okay, like the server count. Yeah, so I haven't invite my bot to any server yet, so it's count like 0 server. Okay, because our bot like haven't joined any server, right? That's how. Yeah, and now there is interaction endpoint. Yeah, and then a link roles verification, also terms and of service, and privacy policy. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll just show you to here. Okay, click the OAuth2. Yeah, okay, so we want to use the Discord authorization system. Okay, for our API, maybe for our application we can use this. Okay, this is our client ID, as you can see, and this is the redirect. Okay, basically like maybe if you have like a API. Okay, you just want to put it here. Okay, so it will maybe will be redirect, okay, the bot when you log in or something. Okay, like this. Yeah, okay, so but yeah, this is the most important thing. And this is the client secret. Okay, which is this is your like API key. Yeah, so you want to make it secret. Okay, because everyone who have access to your client secret, yeah, basically maybe they can modify your bot something. Okay, like this. Okay, yep. Yeah, actually I want to get a new key. Yeah, so I just show this for the, oh shit. Okay, sorry. Okay, because yeah, I have to log into my code. Okay, like, yeah, okay, but yeah, like that's the thing. Yeah, that you can see. Okay, this is the client secret. Okay, you can generate your secret, and this is the URL generator. Okay, let's see. This is for bot. Yeah, so this is bot. Okay, just choose bot. Okay, because actually we want to create a bot. Yeah, like this. Okay, so you just need to check this box. Yeah, this bot. Okay, then yeah, you can give it a permission. Yeah, like what do you want your bot do? Yeah, like, maybe, like if your bot can kick a member, you can just check this. Okay, but if not, just keep it like this default. Okay, I want to make my bot to send message. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I think all the bots must send us message like this. Okay. So now just copy this. Okay, I want you to just copy and let's paste it. Okay, let's just see. Okay, as you can see, this is like a link, like to invite your bot, right? This is the link for if you want to invite your bot. Okay, so this is add bot to a server. Okay, and I want to add this yogurt bot, okay, to my testing server. Okay, so as you can see, I already opened my testing server and there is no one, I mean, like except me, of course. But now I want to invite my bot. Okay, as you can see, this will confirm the bot permission, yeah, which is that we set before is the to only send message. Okay, just capturing. Okay, musical. Okay, this is thing is drum and I don't know, is it a music or no? Yeah, I think no. Yeah, we are correct. Yeah, success. Okay, yogurt has been authorized. Okay, let's check. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, our first bot already joined our server here. Okay, and this is yogurt bot. Yeah, as you can see, this is like a tag. Yeah, bot. Okay, means that this is a bot, not a real people. Okay, this is not a real human, this is just a bot. Okay, and we already invite, yeah, our bot. Okay, then this is again also, okay, you can change it. This is token, yeah. Okay, this is token, and this is the most important thing. Okay, sorry. Okay, I think this is the one, yeah, that you have to must keep it always safe, yeah, because this is the token that you can access your bot. Yeah, so let's say, yeah, but it will ask my code again. Okay, no, okay, but basically this is the token that you will use in the development later. Yeah, I mean, if you want to create a bot, okay, you have to put the token inside your code. Yeah. Okay, now this is the authorization flow. It's a public bot. Yeah, if you check this on, like it can be edited by anyone. Yeah. Then is it like you want to require it out code grant? I think I just put it off, yeah, like this. Then for the privilege gateway intent, yeah, this is very important. Okay, you have to present intent. Yeah, I think you can just put it on like this. Okay, then yeah, I think just put it on like this. Oh yeah. Okay, then yeah, I think this is the same. It's same like before. Okay, it's a rich presence, but I think we don't need this presence in our bot, because I think it's only for the yeah, like this. Yeah, I think we won't use it. Okay, then this for the app tester. Okay, this is my email, and yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, that you can see, yeah, that you can check to create a bot. Okay, so I already invite my bot here into my server, yeah, which is now the next step is to develop the bot itself. Yeah, okay, so but yeah, I think that the video is enough. Okay, just that's all that I want to show you guys for this video. Okay, so I hope you can just try it. Okay, you just like create your own bot for Discord. Yeah, like this. Okay, so guys, where is it? Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching again. Yeah, I think I'll stop this video now. Okay, and see you in another video, guys. Thank you.